Imagine that somebody wants to become a master chef and they go out and they buy every single book they find on cooking. And they read all these books, they even memorize all of these recipes. They know exactly how to cook Mexican food, Indian food, French food, absolutely everything. This might even take them a few years. So they have the intellectual knowledge. They have everything in their minds on how to cook. Now, would you say this person is a master chef if actually they've never cooked anything? You could definitely say they have knowledge around cooking and food, but would you say they are a master chef? Now, the same thing happened with the spiritual awareness, the spiritual development, self-development. Over the years, I've found hundreds of people that come to me with the same story. It's like, I've read all the books on personal health, spiritual development, and nothing works. I don't see any changes in my life, or maybe I see only small changes. And the thing is, it's not that these books don't help. It's not that these tips that we hear on the YouTube videos and TED Talks and books, and it's not that they don't work. It's not that they don't help. It's great that we have the understanding, intellectual understanding of a process, but there is a difference between having the intellectual understanding and actually putting it into practice. So if you are one of those people that read everything and watched a million videos and everything, and you find that you're not making big changes in your life, it's probably time to take action. It's probably time to implement everything that you know. And the thing is, sometimes we might need help. We might need somebody that knows the process, that can guide us through the process. Always being aware that we don't give our power away to the teacher, that we don't give our power away to the therapist, but that we see that as a support to our own process. So if you are one of those people that feel that need something else, just keep in mind that for true transformation to take place in our life, we need to have, yes, the intellectual understanding and the intellectual knowledge, that's important, but we also need to do the emotional work. We need to do the spiritual work, and we need to do the physical work. When these four layers are connected and they are in alignment, then we see true transformation in our life. So reach out, call a coach, somebody that you feel they can help you, that they have an expertise in your area. Join a class of personal development. Do something practical. Give yourself permission to be brave and look into your blind spots, look into your shadow and uncover the unconscious. Because the thing is, the transformation that you're looking for, it is possible. It's happened to me. It's happened to thousands of people that I work with. So it is possible. But just bring it down into the body, bring it down into here and now, and change patterns, change beliefs. Have a greater understanding of your emotional self, and you'll see how your life changes. But ask for help, ask for support, and your wish will be granted. I don't believe in quick fixes. I remember the first time in my early 20s that I healed something big, a big issue, and I had this sense of liberation. I had this sense of like, yes, I'm fixed. That's it, I'm fixed now. I can get on with my life and have a happy life. And that lasted for, I think, a few months. And then something else came up and I was like, what's this? I was healed. I've dealt with this big issue. Why is something else happening? And now, 20 years on my journey, I can definitely tell you, and I can see that there is no quick fixes, that we heal and it's a process, and there are big events that we can transform. But I think it's a never-ending process. But every step that we take forward, we connect with more who we are, with our authentic self. We connect with more peace, more freedom, more love, and ultimately more harmony. So I hope this video helps you. Send me a message if you like, or just write a comment. Truly appreciate it. Have a nice day. Thank you.